One of our most viewed videos is a little ditty called "It's Not About the Gear, We Shot With Cheap Cameras to Prove It." In that video, Daniel and I shot with a model with a Canon Rebel T3i, and our very kind and gracious friend Justin, who is not a photographer, shot the same model with a Canon 5D Mark IV. The point that was lost on some people was that the cost of your gear doesn't matter as much as a solid photography foundation, and a lot of practice does.
We wanted a second chance at making that point, so we'll be doing the same thing today with a few changes for clarity. One, the cheap camera that we'll be using is even cheaper, and the high-end camera is even more expensive.
Two, we'll all be shooting with both cameras.
Three, we'll not only shoot in a controlled environment, our studio, but we'll also head outdoors where there is variable lighting conditions.
Let's get started.
No, it's okay. I don't care. I just don't know. Well, obviously don't know what I'm doing. Jeez, I'm f***ing everything. Probably shouldn't cuss too much on it. I just wanted to get the mural exposed. So if you want to hop over here and then just lean against the wall, kind of out the corner of that arcade game. Yeah, can you move a little to your left? Yeah. And maybe look towards the light. You guys don't feel like you need to help me though. That's great. Angled like that's great. I don't know what to say other than, I guess, pretend like you're making a drink. Sure, that's great. Just add some texture in the front there. What does that shoot to? Oh, wow.
That's kind of cool. All right, Justin, man, this is all you, buddy.
Let's start at the ladder again and see how this goes. Oh yeah, that's better than yeah, that's great. Oh, sorry, hold it like. I want to try turning on flash. We'll see what that does. I feel like a kid. It's so small. Yeah. Let's head back over to the mural over here. Yeah, that's like, I don't think oh, yeah, I am. That's a good idea. Oh yeah, laying out like that, exactly. I'm like getting more into it because of this camera. Oh, yeah, I feel great about those. Those are keepers.
Let's test the dynamic range of this. So I'm gonna have you come over by the window, maybe like right around here. Yeah, kind of go to the side, yeah. And look out like you just did. This is interesting because then you can see how well, you have the really dark and you have the really bright, so we'll see how well it captures dynamic range. Probably not very well, but we'll give it a shot. It's so it's still really bright on here though, man. I don't know if it's good or not because the screen is so bad. Just in case it's blown out, let me change the ISO again. Okay, it's gonna be kind of silly for this camera, but... Oh my gosh, it's so noisy.
Oh, that's in focus now. Yeah, play with your shadow there. That's cool. A little less dramatic. Yeah, there you go. I like the drama though. It's nice. Leg up, maybe. The other way. Yeah, that way. Because that's a mistake someone would make. Sure, lean forward. That sounds great. This is awesome. Let's do against this wall again and just do a couple of those for leaning against it, if you don't mind. And then do that kind of pose again. I got nothing else. Is that good? Yeah.
Like frumpy sad. Yeah. It was so nice. Can we do the shadow thing again with this wall, even though you did it with Justin? Okay, so go right in that corner and then put your head up so we don't get shadows on you. You can close your eyes if you need to. Go ahead and put both of your hands in your hair again, yeah. Okay, I love this. So like slumpy little foot. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get some motion, maybe. Who knows? Just like kind of like walk forward just a little bit. Actually, I got some shadow ones earlier. Let's just do it one more time. Okay, I think that's good for this video. Wrap it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Head back up.
Rub it up.
Rachel, I'm so happy to be standing here with you today, surrounded by all of our friends.
Daniel, we've been together for 8 years, through 7 different apartments and 4 different websites, all of which were hosted by Squarespace's easy-to-use all-in-one platform.
You're so beautiful, inside and out, just like Squarespace's designer templates.
You've always been there for me, day and night, just like Squarespace's award-winning 24/7 customer support.
I'm so glad I made my next move with Squarespace, and you. I love you both so much.
So this was way more challenging this time around because we couldn't manually control the settings of our cheap camera, and the quality of the LCD screen was so poor that we had a hard time monitoring the exposure of our images. A huge thanks again to Justin for letting us exploit him as an amateur photographer. He's a Grammy Award-winning audio engineer, so we're not looking forward to the Retaliation Audio Challenge video that he could make us do. Thanks to our model Jasmine for killing it, and our pal Will P. Gang for filming. You're all the real MVPs.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you hate this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you on the flippity flip.
See you on the flippity flip.
You do like.